Well, hello there, and welcome to a Service Toolz training video. My name is Leif, and I'll be showing you around the place. We will start over with the menu on the left. On your computer, you can just mouse over the thing, and it'll open right up for you. And then when you leave the menu, it'll close up and give you some extra space to work. On your touch devices, there's a button down here at the bottom with the little arrow. You can just click that at any time on your touch devices to open and close the menu. Moving up to the top here, you have two buttons. You have a user button, which will just give you some information about the user, and a logout button, which I'll leave alone for the sake of this training video right now. In the main menu over here, you have all of the different pages that you might be using throughout the course of a project. Except for this new button, this one just brings up a little sub menu with the new things that you can create, like contacts or tasks or quotes, etc. On your smaller devices, I can show you a smaller device here. The menu is going to be hidden. It's going to be in this little button up in the top left corner. And they still have all the same stuff. It's just hidden away so that you have a little extra room to work on your smaller screens. On some quotes and work orders, there's also a menu bar at the bottom for some quick action buttons. But we'll go over that when it comes time for the quotes and work orders training videos. A lot of these pages are made up of a lot of lists. So we can go over to, let's say, quotes. That's 3 different lists. And if you want to hide one of those lists, you can always just click on the list's header like this to hide anything that you don't want to see. And there's also some settings that you can set to permanently hide any one of these lists. If it just isn't pertinent to you, you can just get rid of those and you'll just have whatever you want. So for the purposes of this video, we'll open up all quotes. And we have a search button right here. You can just start typing and it will start filtering out the results in the list to whatever you're searching for. And you can always reset that with this button right over here. You also have a filters button, which will bring up different filters. So you can filter by the quote number, the contact, things like that for whatever is visible. It helps kind of narrow down things if you have a big giant list. There's also the show hidden button. Is in a few of these lists. For instance, in quotes and work orders, if you have accepted quotes or deleted quotes or work orders that are complete, it's going to hide them from these lists. And you can see those again by just clicking the show hidden. So at that point I can do a search for hidden work orders. Whatever needs to happen there. You can also obviously say how many you want to see per list. And if there's more than one page of results, those will all show up next to it here. You can just click on that page number and go straight there. There are also settings for each one of these lists where you can determine the max results and refresh time for each one of these lists and whether you want it to be shown or not. So it's very customizable for you. And one last thing, if you ever did get in a bind and you needed some help, we do have a help button down here at the bottom of the main menu. And you can click there, enter service tickets. You can upload screenshots if you think that would be helpful. You can always contact us at this phone number, email address. And I will have all these videos posted up on this page as well, so that you can find help via video. So we love to help. We love to make sure this is working well for you. So feel free at any time. Give us a shout and we'll help you out. As far as getting around, that's basically it. The next step to setting everything up is inputting some vendors and services, and then we can start importing products. So in the next video we'll do vendors, and I will see you there.